Understanding, wait for one's cue. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a common but intriguing phrase, wait for one's cue. It's a phrase that pops up in conversations, movies, and even in the workplace. Stick around as we break down its meaning, usage, and provide some examples to help you understand how to use it effectively in your own conversations. The phrase, wait for one's cue, refers to the action of waiting for a signal or indication that it is the appropriate time to begin something. This could be speaking, entering a scene, or starting an action. The word, cue, originally comes from the world of theater, where actors wait for a specific signal before they perform their part. However, this phrase is now used more broadly in everyday language to indicate waiting for the right moment to do anything. To help you grasp this concept, let's look at some examples. In a theater production, an actor waits for their cue from the director to start their monologue. During a presentation, a speaker may wait for their cue from the host before going on stage. In a conversation, someone might wait for their cue from a friend before joining in or changing the topic. These examples show how waiting for one's cue involves patience and attentiveness to the right moment or signal to act. Waiting for your cue is crucial because it shows respect for the timing and flow of events, conversations, or performances. It prevents interruptions and ensures that actions are more impactful because they come at the right moment. Understanding when to wait and when to act is a valuable skill in both personal and professional settings. Wait for one's cue is more than just a phrase. It's a principle of timing and respect in communication and actions. We hope this video has helped you understand its meaning and how you can apply it in your daily English conversations. Remember, knowing when to speak or act can be just as important as what you say or do. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. See you in the next video.